By maintaining your e-commerce website regularly, you can keep your online presence relevant, fresh, and deliver the best user experience for your website visitors. There are different types of web maintenance that should be done regularly, such as content updates, security updates, update themes and plugins, backup and recovery, performance monitoring, SEO updates, and service plan management. No matter how big or small your business is, consistent website maintenance is crucial. Here are the top benefits of maintaining your e-commerce website properly. 1. It improves website performance. If a website takes more than a few seconds to load, users will leave. 2. It delivers a better user experience. If your website design is careless and difficult to navigate, it can turn away customers, causing them to leave your site. 3. It increases traffic to your site. Search engines favor websites that stay updated and fresh. That's when they start ranking your site higher, sending you more traffic. 4. It brings you more sales. When your website can satisfy the requirements of your visitors and offer them solutions to their problems, your customers will purchase more from you. 5. Reduced or no downtime. Consumers cannot visit your site if it is down or not running. Regular maintenance can help avoid this. EcoYork can help by providing customized e-commerce website maintenance services based on your brand's needs, scope of business, size of the business, and technologies used. Contact us today.